So these, once you guys have the basic Pythagorean identities, there's other ones. You saw how I just subtracted cosine squared theta here, and over here I subtracted sine squared theta. Well, what if you divided by sine squared theta? What would you get? So I'm going to do the work right here. If I had sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1, and I divided this side by sine squared theta, and I divided this side by sine squared theta, what the heck would I get? Do you guys know what 1 over sine squared theta equals? Cosecant squared theta. And then do you guys know what sine squared theta divided by sine squared theta is? Oh, no. And what is cosine squared theta divided by sine squared theta? Cotangent squared theta. So there it is. There's your other identity. 1 plus cotangent squared theta equals cosecant squared theta. And then we can add and subtract stuff here. I can say that cosecant squared theta minus cotangent squared theta equals, oh no. And I can get the cotangent squared alone by going cotangent squared theta, and I'll subtract 1 from both sides. Cosecant squared theta minus 1. So there's another 3. So I divided by sine squared theta to get that. What do you think I'm going to divide next? Now let's try dividing it by cosine squared theta. So if I take both sides of this dude, divide this side, divide that side by cosine squared theta, what the heck would that equal? So what is this one first? Secant squared theta. And what is sine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta? That one is tangent squared theta. Plus cosine divided by cosine is, oh no. So there's your last group. We got tangent squared theta plus, oh no, equals secant squared theta. Now let's move the tangent squared theta over to the other side. So we have secant squared theta minus tangent squared theta equals, oh no. And now let's get the tangent squared theta alone. Let's go tangent squared theta equals secant squared theta minus, oh no. And there's all 9.